Part of our project in COE 121 laboratory, we are tasked to do an elevator using a microcontroller. We use Freescale Code Warrior as our software.
I will present to you the demo of our prototype. We use Freescale Code Warrior as our software, an NILVIS-2 microprocessor, an elevator model, DC motor, and the circuit to be discussed in our schematic. The push buttons will represent the first floor, second floor, and third floor of our elevator model. If you push the second floor, the elevator will go up. And for the third floor, these two LEDs represent if the elevator is going up or down. Since the elevator is on the first floor, and if you push the button for the second floor, the first LED will light up. And if you go down to the first floor, the second LED will